Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you something interesting things about my art. So I hope you will like this video. The first time I'm making this type of video. So if you like this video, do like and subscribe, and also comment me which was your favorite art supplies and which other art supplies do you all use, and also tell me which should be the next video. Comment me that also. So come on, let's begin the video. So first I will be showing you with my new stuffs which I bought from Amazon. I will be putting all the links in the description. You can also order it if you want. So first I will show you my brush collection. So these are the 3 new brushes which I have bought. Let me open and show you 1 second. So this is one of my brush. This is mainly for water brush, means you can store the water in this and then you can just dip it into the color. You don't need to carry water. If you are carrying this brush, it has a storage of water. Yeah, I have in 3 different codes. These are the 2 more. Then I have bought a pen for doodling, like mandala art. So I will just try. I was recently doing many doodles, so I'm just gonna show you. So these are the collection from the Bistro pen. It's of 6. You have other variants like pack of 2, 4 and 8. So you can order any variant if you want. I have this pen sizes 0.05, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.8 and 0.5. So these are the Bistro technical pens for drawing, doodling and for illustration, for fine art and for sketching and all that type of. So you can just check these. These are the pack which I ordered from Amazon recently. It's a new collection. If you want to know about price and all, it's very affordable. So if you're a beginner, you can try these pens and these brushes. Those who don't know about these all, you can try it out. So you can try it out of 6 variants. I'll share the link in description. You can check out all the prices will come to know. Now we'll start with my paints collection. I'll show you this my paint collection. So here is my 18 shades of this. You can see it's as students poster color poster color it is, and then I am getting 18 colors. Then I am getting 4 special shades: gold, peach and magenta, blue. So this also we can buy from Amazon. So I'll send the link in Amazon. The link I'll put in description. You can check out the 18 colors. I'll just show you. Some colors I have removed. You can just check some colors are there. Yeah. So you can use this. I'll share all the links in description. You can check out the price there. Then I'm gonna show you with my other set of brushes. And these are my other brushes which I bought from Amazon only. So these are my normal brushes. You can see they're in variant size and shapes. I think pack of 20 or something. I don't exactly remember. I bought it many months ago. It's Amazon. I'll share the link in description. You can check out and you can tell also which one you like the most and which other items for art which you all use. Tell me. I'll surely try it out. So these are the brush you can see. These are from Germany, Camlin, Germany. So you can just check out. Next, I will show you another doodle pen. This of Macron, Sigma Macron. I have bought 0.1 and 0.02. I'm currently using that 2 only. That was the first pen which I have bought. You can see Sigma 0. See, this is a pen. This also I bought from Amazon only. So you can see Amazon has a ton of best collection for art supplies. Okay, you can try all this for your art. It's a beginner type art only. You can try it out. So next I will show you with my brush pens which I have and which I am using for my brush pens. Yeah, yeah. These are my brush pens. These are my brush pens of 20 shades, I think. Yeah, of add gel. Add gel about 10 of nice collection. See, one has this small brush, and one is the thick one. So you can see add gel also in Amazon. You will get. I'll put the link. I have all the colors: green, blue, pink, black, grey. All the good colors they have given. Now they are the best. If you want to know price and everything, check the description. Then I'm going to show you my sketch pens which I use for doing the arcs, the bordering and all. These are the sketch pens from Jungle King Luxury Jungle King. They also have a best collection of art supplies luxury companies you can check out in Amazon. So these are the collection of my pens. I will show you the point how it is. See, you can see the point. It is like this. So this was I bought from Amazon, pack of 10 or 12, I guess. So you get all the colors you need. So you can check it out. It's affordable price. In Amazon only I bought, so you can check the link for the price. Next, I'm gonna show you my drawing pencils. Drawing pencils, they are in of different numbers. One is 2B, 2B, HB, 4B, and 8B. I have more pencils. But now currently I have these over here. It is in some other room. So I currently have these of my pencils, which I have not yet used, but I will use. Therefore, mainly for drawing, and you can do shading with all these. So next, I'll also do shading. So I'll talk about it in the end. Next, I'm gonna show you the color pencils which I am using. I am using of Camlin colors of 12 shades. Now you can read it or not. Yeah. So they are this thing. So which I currently use. They are a pack of 12. I have a ton of good things, and let me show you the two examples. I'll show you this. See, these are the good ones. I sketch it a lot with this. My school usually I use it. It's very nice. You can try it out. And then yeah, one more guys. Yes, one more guys. Yeah, now I'm gonna show you my color pen which I use. I am using the Uniball pink color for my doodling. I just took one color because I'm just a big trying it newly, so I just took one color. This pink color is very nice for doing doodling, filling colors for doodles and for mandala art. It's the best. You all can try. Links, everything will be given in description. You can check out, and you can check one of my art I put in the YouTube channel. Also, link I'll give in description box. So comment how was the video, and also comment me which all other art supplies do you use and which all art supplies do you like from mine, and which one you will gonna try it. So we'll talk last few items left. So let's talk about that. Now I'm gonna talk about my oil plaster which I have of fabric plaster of 50 shades. 50 shades, you get in the 50 shades, you get one sketch pen plus one scratch tool. So yeah, these are my 50 shades this thing oil plaster. I'll open and quickly show you. One second now. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you one second. It will fall. So it's falling. So these are the 50 shades which I am using. In that we get grey, golden, everything. Which all colors you need, you get everything in that. Yeah, this I had taken it offline only. So I don't have the link of this. So yeah, if you go and ask in any local shop of 50 Shades, Fabric Castle. Yeah, you get Camlin also. All are best. I've tried everyone. 50 Shades, Camlin are also good. Fabric paints cost is very less, so you can literally buy it. There's a good ton of shades which they contain all bright colors and fluoro colors. So very nice. You should try it out, guys. Now I will be talking about my fabric colors of Fabrical company, which I also use for my some of my dot art and all, dot painting. I've never done it yet, but I'm gonna try it. Done it in my own school work, so I'm gonna try it more of that. So let's see. So these are our fabrical company of fabric colors. These are all how much shade? One second, guys. I don't know how much this it contains. Let me see. A pack of, yeah, it's a pack of 10. So I'll just open it. I'll just close it. So like this the box comes. This I bought it from Amazon. Fabrical one, Amazon only. So I'll share the link in description. Do check it out, guys. Check out. And yeah, so these are some of my this work supplies. So now, now I'll show you some of my drawings. Put the photos, so check out it in the end of the video. I'll put. So yeah, so you hope you like this video. Do like, share, subscribe, share the video with art lover. Whoever is an artist, whoever wants to do an art, you can share with them. So it will be helpful for them. And check out the supplies in Amazon, which link I'll be given. Comment ours videos and which all art supplies do you use, guys. And yeah, and which type of art should I try and post to all? Tell me, guys. And next video, what should we all want? Do tell me, guys. Bye bye. Let's check my artwork.